What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to your middle of the day market update. Just wanted to do a little bit of a market update. I mean, in general, the thing is that I don't, well, I expect volatility, but I don't think much has changed since this morning. But I did want to talk about some altcoins. All right, altcoins, or at least some of them, are actually going quite parabolic. There's some coins I do think you need to keep an eye on, and I do think they have potential. But the thing is that at this point of time, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for something to happen. All right, the one big trade I'm in right now is zero. I'm still on zero, but I'm also in a long on ladies right here. But apart from that, I'm very much waiting for the volatility to kick in. All right, because this is an ideal recipe for a lot of volatility. What you see is that obviously Friday heading into the weekend, we had a lot of movements. So a lot of positions opened there, and no way are they all closed. All right, we saw some positions closing Friday evening into Saturday. All right. But then apart from that, what you also see is a lot of weekend trading this weekend. All right. So what you can see is that the open interest basically since last night is continuously going up. We had one big sell-off right here, but is still going up right now. And it's a very mixed bag of longs and shorts, all right? So one of the sides is going to win, but both sides are probably going to try to win, which usually is a recipe for volatility. So I do think there are altcoins that can rally, but I would be careful positioning yourself in the weekend, all right? Because, well, first of all, a lot of the times the moves you get in the weekend do not stick, do not hold. But then apart from that, we're also going to get very, very volatile, all right? So maybe spot is ideal, or spot is preferable. But if you go into futures, it's just going to be tough to set that stop loss right, and you should always use a stop loss. So, all right. So yeah, Bitcoin itself, personally, I think it's most likely that we'll get some sort of a pullback. We will have volatility both sides, all right? So I would not be surprised if we do something like this, head up towards 68,000, liquidate the shorts, and then drop down towards 65 and 63.6 thousand. Something like that is what I would expect. But in general, I'll just watch from the sidelines what we'll do in the next 16 hours or so. So I'm waiting for that, and like I said, I said this earlier as well, I think overall a pullback is to be expected. It's in line with the trend. It's also to be expected, I would say, if you think about the trend right now and how parabolically we've gone up. But all right, and we have the Ethereum ETF, of course, next week, which is going to halt trading a little bit. But altcoins, I do think, are interesting. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to name some altcoins which I do think you need to keep an eye on. I don't necessarily think you should trade them, but these are at least the coins I'm looking at this point of time to potentially position myself in. So first of all, Floki. I think Floki is looking very, very bullish right here. I want to clean up this chart a little bit. But no, for me, the main level is this level right here between 20,000 and 21,000, major resistance level. If we can get a breakout above that, the potential is still very, very high. And it is looking like we're going to get something like that. Floki is also very correlated for obvious reasons to token. Same setup, all right? Strong resistance level right here at around 8.5 and 8.4 cents. If we get a breakout above that, looks very interesting and a lot of potential historically. And then apart from that, there are some outliers. I think in general, like Solana and its ecosystem is still like very interesting. Solana is very bullish right here, and I expect it to rally higher, which is very interesting in itself. If we get some sort of a rapid pullback overnight with the volatility, I think positioning yourself in this could be a good choice. It's at least something I'm looking at this point of time. And then apart from that, what you see as well, like Ordi, I'm also in a trade still on Ordi. Ordi still looks good. Ladies as a meme coin, I still think also has potential. Maker, maybe, like in general, meme coins seem quite strong. All right, just to throw that out there. But the last coin I want to talk about for now in this kind of altcoin spotlight is AFAX. A lot of eyeballs, a lot of hype right now around AFAX after their airdrops. Which in general, like AFAX has been holding back quite a bit. Like if you look at all the altcoins, AFAX is one of the coins that has not rallied yet. even though if you look back at the past, AVEX is usually a coin that does have some strong rallies. So keep your eyes on this, all right? The main resistance level I would say is around 30. Breakout above that could be golden for a big move, all right? So those are the altcoins I wanted to cover. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.